Alright guys, welcome back to another video of selling car parts on eBay. I'm here at one of the body shops that I sell car parts for. They brought in a bunch of stuff for me to list today, and it looks like we have about 30 to 50 parts, and then we also have a few things to ship out before the holiday. Right now this might look like a bunch of junk, especially with these cardboard boxes that are all messed up, but it looks like we have a bunch of stuff for some Teslas today, so hopefully we find some good stuff. Okay, just finished listing for a couple hours. Gonna go through first all the Tesla parts that I listed. Alright, first up, Model S electronic control module. It looks maybe new, but I'm not sure, so I'm just gonna list it as used. This here's a side mirror glass for a Model Y. The box is pretty beat up, so I'm gonna have to get a new one, but I'm just gonna keep it in there for now. This is a door seal for a Model 3. We got a couple parking sensors here. This is like a tow hitch cover for a Model 3. Then we got a bunch of bigger things here, and I'm gonna reorganize this once I'm done showing you. I already have like SKUs for where I'm gonna put everything. But we got a couple reinforcement bars, one for a Model 3, one for a Model Y. Those were worth good money. I'm just gonna need to find boxes for those. This is some plastic bracket for a bumper. We got a sway bar here as well. Here's another brand new bumper bracket. This is some suspension knuckle. We also got this trim piece here for a Model S. And then we got a few things that weren't Tesla parts. This right here is an aftermarket headlight for a Kia Seltos. Unfortunately, one of the tabs was broken, but we still have it, so I taped it on here. It's definitely gonna hurt the value of it, but I think we can still get 200 bucks for it. We also had this brand new OEM trim for a Mitsubishi Outlander. It's in the box here. I think we're gonna get 200 bucks for this as well. There's also this random metal piece for Mercedes GLE or GLS. And right as I finished listing everything, the owner brought in even more stuff. A lot of it's in boxes already, which is pretty good, but I've already been here for a couple hours. I think I'm done listing for today. Now that I'm done, I gotta grab everything that sold yesterday. I think we got like 5 or 6 things going out the door, so I'm gonna grab them and then head home. Before I leave, I'll just show you how I'm organizing stuff. It's not the best system, but it's working right now. So this shelf here is mainly headlights from the bottom to the top. I got right hand on the second shelf here, left hand on the top. There's also some moldings back here. This shelf here I have labeled as shelf 1, and then I'm going shelf 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 to the top. I also got bins here, taillights in here. All those like large Tesla moldings are back here somewhere. There's also some like bracket supports. As you can see, this is shelf 2. So again, 2.1, 2.2. And yeah, it's not like extremely organized right now, but it is working. I'm trying to be better about it as I'm growing this. And here's my very basic setup for taking photos. I kind of wish it was a bit nicer, but I'm just working with what I have. There's a spotlight there. The lighting's pretty decent for the most part. I think we got about 150 items listed. There's probably another 30 or 40 in here already for me to list. So I got plenty more here. Maybe come back after the holiday on Friday, try and list some more stuff. All right, so here are the 5 things that we got to ship out for today. This big box here, and then the 4 things on the floor. This one here, the large one, is a heat shield for F-150. Don't mind this, I just stole another box. Got $150 for that. And then the 4 things here, nothing crazy. I don't think any of them are more than $40, but these things add up over time when you sell 3, 4, 5 things a day like this. This is a fog light trim for a Jeep Gladiator. This is an OEM seal for, I think, an RX 350 between the hood and the radiator. Sway bar link for Model X or Model S, and this is just some cable for a bunch of Mercedes. For these, the shop is really nice, and they just said if you sell anything below $15, like just keep the money. So I won't have to split this with them. This should be a pretty easy day for shipping stuff out. I'm pretty sure I can get this done in under 10 minutes. Everything's boxed up now. I use poly mailers a lot. I reuse a bunch of Amazon packaging. Any other stuff that I get in the mail, I save the boxes and the poly mailers. And 2 or 3 of these were under £1, so it was all pretty cheap, and they were going USPS. The large box I ended up cutting down with my box cutter, I think 3 or 4 inches on the top, and it ended up saving me like 20 or 30 bucks. So I did some rough math, and after looking at these 5 packages, I think we're gonna make about $90 to $100 today. This was sales just from one day. It's like the day before Christmas Eve, so I wasn't expecting a lot. And I know $90 doesn't sound like a lot of money, but I do this every day. If you add that up over a month, that's almost $3,000. And I'd say today was a relatively slow day, and we had a bunch of smaller things go, so not a ton of money to be made. But you know, I run an eBay business every day. I work for the shop every day. If something sells, I gotta go grab it. Whether it's like a $20 fog trim piece or a $1,000 subframe, I'm shipping pretty much every day. So, and that's the thing about eBay, is that you gotta stay consistent. You have buyers and you need to ship your items out. So this is just a glimpse into one day of what it looks like. You can check out my other videos and see days where I have much more sales. But this is the real side of growing a side hustle and eBay business. Like, I'm not making thousands of dollars every day. I'm just trying to show you something that you can replicate easily on your own. And I still am in the process of growing this. I think I'm at like 160 listings now after listing everything today. I would really like to get somewhere around 300 where I think I could double my revenue from last month. Anything over that, I might just spend too much time on shipping and getting stuff out the door. But I think 300 is a good place to be for how much money I want to make every month. I think that's pretty much all I got today. I'm going to go take these and drop them off so I can get them out before Christmas Eve. And going into the new year, I'm really going to try and ramp up the videos. I want to do at least 2 a week. One, just like showing you a day in the life of listing and shipping stuff out. And then I want to try and sprinkle in some more like formal videos of me going through exactly like how to do this business. I'm going to try and make those a bit more educational while these are a bit more laid back and just like showing you some interesting things that I've sold, some tips and tricks along the way. I think that's pretty much it for now. I'm really getting in the habit of filming when I'm working on this stuff. So hopefully more videos coming out soon. Thanks again. Please like and subscribe. And I just love checking every day, seeing the subscribers go up. That's really awesome. So appreciate all the support. And yeah, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.